Personalize your laptop with Razer skins. Our latest line of durable laptop skins that are crafted with customized 3M cast vinyl for an ultra-precise fit. Select from our array of striking custom designs that brings forth your personal style. So Razer looks to have officially launched skins for their laptops.
Mm-hmm.
And I'm seeing a kind of like camo theme going on.
Mm-hmm.
A typical camo, like more of like a digital style camo. Some shape type of.
This looks really familiar.
Is that carbon?
A few of these look familiar to me. I wonder if this is a partnership with the D brand, because that's camo D brand back there, and that's hyper black D brand back there.
Is that what it is? Is it a partnership with D brand, or is it a competing product?
And that's Swarm over there.
Do you know this information, Will?
No.
Oh.
No, I'm still learning about this.
Peel, press, play. Crafted with 3M. Okay, of course. Cutting edge adhesive. Made with the same premium wrap used on luxury vehicles, our skins can withstand extreme temperatures of between minus 60 Celsius to 107. So they're talking about the temperature.
Well, gaming laptops, they get hot.
No, I know. I just never have heard it discussed before. That it's not gonna melt when you're when you're gaming.
Yeah.
I didn't know it was a thing that needed to be said, but okay. I mean, if you're gonna put it on a car, Mo, it's gonna get hit directly with the sun.
Mm-hmm.
Imagine like a black skin on a car.
Mm-hmm.
I haven't like that one there. I haven't seen anything quite like.
This is really cool. I've never seen anything like
I wonder if it has a texture too, like a really.
Which one? This one or the one with
any
the
one,
holes?
any of them.
There's a green. Their color scheme is kind of showing up here as well. I wonder if you order your laptop if it comes pre-applied. So you don't even have to apply it. Like if I order a laptop and throw a skin in, I don't know. I doubt it. But
Well,
they
pretty easy
should.
to apply.
They should do that though.
Oh, what was that video? What's this video?
I think it's how to apply it.
It's a walkthrough. It's an
Oh.
application video. Oh yeah. Okay. So I don't think you're going to be able to order pre-apply, but they should totally do that.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I agree. Oh, I don't think this is a partnership with D brand then.
Why?
Just because I bought in D brand products and they don't. First of all, their videos look way better than this. I would assume if you're going to partner with them, you try to make sure that the videos look good.
Mo's going hard in the paint here.
Well, I mean, it's just a sticker, right? Like, I'm just saying, make it look like you want me to buy it.
I never expected Mo to come at them like that.
Okay.
So what do you know? What do you know about this, Will?
I don't know anything, but I feel like these patterns look familiar. No?
A few of them are camo, which I'm a big fan of.
Well, some of them are like obvious, right? Like a carbon look is a pretty obvious one.
Some are standards.
And then standards, and then you have other ones that are.
There's literally Razer skins.
No, these are just Razer laptops.
Yeah, I know, but he's saying you can.
No, these are the skins.
He's saying you can just
right.
buy a D brand skin for your Razer laptop.
Oh well, then click on it. Maybe they have their versions. Let's add a top.
I don't know. I feel like some of them are similar.
For sure they are. For sure some of them are similar, like that carbon one. But they also did some custom ones.
Some custom
Yeah,
ones.
Which are very Razer-like.
You know what? I like that one.
This one?
Yeah, the one that you're hovering.
Yeah,
over.
how would you describe that, though? It's like dots, but they're in a camo. It's a camo
It's like
configuration.
a honeycomb type of shape, too. Like a beehive type of look, but then like matrixed out. Maybe matrix. That's kind of.
Oh, what are they charging for them, by the way, if you click buy? You got to pick your laptop first? Okay, that's fine. No, pick like a blade or something.
Blade.
Okay. $60 US for a laptop. It is a big piece of vinyl. It depends what you pick. Oh. Interesting. So $25 for most of them.
And that's just top, right?
No. Will, that's the difference. It's just top. If you switch your coverage, the price will go up.
Oh, full.
Full, yeah. Now you're gonna go to $50, I guess. Yeah, or $60. Sorry. So Durable laptop skins made with customized 3M cast vinyl. And they say Razer exclusive. Look at that. Razer.com exclusive. Which is obviously not the case for some of those patterns.
Right.
But some of them, they might
offer
be exclusive.
way more branded versions on their own site. If you really like the Razer brand, go here. They got some really cool.
How does it compare to the D brand price?
Yeah, I don't know.
For the top or full, I presume it's competitive.
Let's do a fun one.
Well, D brand's been doing this for a long time. $24.95.
That's just top though.
I know, but wasn't that the exact same price for Razer's top?
Oh, was it?
Oh, 5 cents more. $24.99.
Okay.
I don't know, man. Anyway, we can obviously ask D-Brand about this. We'll get to the bottom of it.
Sure.
I was hoping Will knew.
I didn't.
I thought you talked to them.
No.
Apparently not. We'll get to the bottom of it.